We're starting off this evening with chasing the same buck that beat us last night. We're running out of time. Every hour is precious right now. We only got one more day. Gotta make this happen. He was right at 98 yards. Hammer. I don't. He was 98 yards, stood up. Boom! Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at this. Hey, I see it. Yeah, baby. Yes. Remember I said two best parts are seeing his horns? Guess what? Here comes the second best part. Oh, look at the size of this thing. Never apologize for your God-given right to hunt. Look at this. We're gonna pretend to be a rancher this morning. We're gonna have a surprise for him. We got our deer out here, about 250 yards probably. We're gonna work our way along this edge. We got the wind with us. We're working along this edge and try to get up in front of them. They'll be just moseying through this scrub brush, so we gotta get in front of them. We're just gonna work our way up along the edge here, Ty. We gotta stay real tight and real low. Get up on my knees. Frustrating. Not the arrow or the view a hunter likes to see. It's all guts. Very little blood. But it is what it is. So now we wait. There he is, Tyler. We got him. Most fun part. First time this year, we get to lift up some velvet antlers for Utah. Look at this. Never apologize for your God-given right to hunt. Yes! All night long, wind blows. She's gonna blow it all the way again. It's gonna happen. I mean, he's got a long way to go, but he's at least walking our direction.
It'll be close, as long as he doesn't loiter.
Okay. Get him going down. Get him going down. Can you see him? Yeah. Here he is. I see dust, right? Yep. Yeah, there he goes. What do I always say? This is my favorite part, right? Oh, look at that. What an experience. The people have been magnificent. I mean, just so polite and so nice to us. It's unbelievable. I think I've gained 5 pounds in 5 days. So the food's good, people's good, and the hunting's even better. Never apologize for your God-given right to hunt. Yeah, baby. Heck yeah. Look at this thing. We found our deer. He's about 500 yards down here in this gully. So we didn't even get set up this morning. We usually drive all the way up to the top. He's down there feeding with a couple of toes. I gotta get to this tree here. Stay low. I got 74. Our ninth morning. Oh my goodness. Cam, he didn't go too far, did he? Oh. Again with mossback. We did it again, Wyatt. Attaboy, baby. Never apologize for your God-given right to hunt.